Hey, what's up, hello guys, I'm Karla and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas 2017, and yes, I know it's not even 2017 anymore, but I was traveling and I was on vacation, so I didn't really have my camera with me and I didn't have my equipment, so I just decided to film it when I got home. This is a disclaimer, I know you've heard it 1,000 times, but here it is again. This is not to brag, I love watching these videos and I just wanted to put one into the world because, you know, it doesn't hurt to have one more out there. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and let's get started. Bye! I just want to say that I'm so thankful for everyone that gave me a gift. I just want to say thank you so much for thinking of me and for thinking about spending your hard-earned money on me, a little person in the world out of billions. And yeah, I just want to thank my friends and family for giving me all these gifts, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna get the biggest things out of the way, and my mom gave me this book. It's by Brandon Sanderson and it's called Oathbringer. My mom knows how I like my books, big and thick. So yeah, this was for my mom and I'm really excited to read this, and I think it just adds a nice addition to my collection. And yeah, thank you so much, mother of mine. Next, my grandma gave me this bag, and it's a Michael Kors bag, and it used to be hers, but she never really used it, and she knew that I needed a bag for every day, so she was like, hey, do you want it? And I'm like, yes, I do indeed. So this is one of my Christmas gifts from her, and I'm so thankful. Thank you, Tita. Thank you so much. And yeah, I love this bag. It's so big, and yeah, I love it. So another gift from my grandma. This year she was just so generous, and I feel so bad because they just bought a new house. They're, you know, spending a lot of money, and she just spent so much money on me, and I just want to say thank you. But she gave me a Michael Kors watch. It's this rose gold one, and it's so pretty, and it looks like this. I just want to say thank you, Grandma, so much. You have so much to spend on other things, and you decided to spend on me, and I don't really understand why. But yeah, I just wanted to say that a lot of people spent an unnecessary amount of money on me, but yeah, one of those people is my grandmother, and thank you so much for this watch. I really love this, and thank you. Okay, so my parents got me this like pack full of glitters, and there's 45 glitters in here. You guys know how much I love my glitters. I have some glitter on my eyes today. It's not these glitters. I'm just so happy I got so many. I have so many choices and variety, and I'm just so excited to play around with these and create so many creative looks. So watch out, because I'm gonna be glitterifying everything in my channel. But like, look how pretty all these glitters are, and they are in pretty small jars, but then again, like, there's so many that it's fine. So the next gift that I got isn't really something I can hold, but it's something I can talk to you guys about. Alexa, how many ounces are in a cup?
1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces.
Yeah, my parents got me an Echo Dot. They also got a bunch of Echoes for the house, and they gave one for me for Christmas. So all our house is now like a smart house, I guess, or a smart home. So yeah, Alexa basically controls everything in this house. Cancel. For example, Alexa, play my October R&B playlist on shuffle.
Shuffling your playlist. October R&B.
So yeah, Alexa, stop. So yeah, that's how it works, and I don't know, I really like it. The next thing that I got is also from my parents. They gave me a lot of things this year. Again, I'm super thankful. And it's this makeup brushes roll, and it looks like this, and I already used a few, but there's just so many nice high quality brushes, and they're super soft, and they're synthetic brushes. I don't know, like, I've just been really needing some new brushes, But yeah, I'm super thankful for this. Thank you. Another thing that I got, or another bundle of things, is scrunchies. I love scrunchies. They are my favorite thing in the world. I think they're making a comeback, but I got a bunch of like really fluffy ones and then some velvet ones, and I just really love them. I already have a few around my room, so they gave me more than just 4. But yeah, I love scrunchies. They're great. I love them. So the next thing that I got is from my other grandma, and she gave me this kind of like blush palette that I asked for, and it just comes with a bunch of really nice blushes that like you can take to travel, and I really enjoy them. But what I asked them for mainly was for eyeshadow. These colors are a little bit bright, but that's why I wanted it, because I'm gonna use them for eyeshadow. Like this orange, so beautiful as a transition color. I love using pinks as transition colors. So yeah, thank you. The next thing she gave me is this Lime Crime Highlight Opals highlighting palette, and they look like this. This is probably blinding you, but this is super pretty. It's like, I think this is dual chrome or chromatic, and these colors are super beautiful. They are again all dual chrome, and this one's like a yellow color, this one is a pink, and this is a peach, and they are all super pretty. I've been so obsessed with them, and yeah, I don't know, I just really like these. She also got me a few brushes that I asked for from Real Techniques. She gave me the powder brush and the blush brush, because as you guys know, I've been using these really old brushes since 7th grade. Not these, but like some old brushes since 7th grade, and I've been really needing a powder brush and a blush brush, so now I got some, and I'm really happy. And yeah, so for my grandma, I also got this blush palette by e.l.f., and I love this so much. I think these are such great blushes. They remind me a lot of the NARS blushes, and they are just so pretty, and I love this palette, and yeah, I would really recommend this. It's a really good palette. From my parents, I got the e.l.f. contour kit, the cream one, and I really like it. It's real good, real Gucci. From one of our family friends, she gave me this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I've been using it almost every single day. I'm in love with this. I have it on right now, and it is like my favorite gloss ever right now, so really good. I would recommend it. It's a bop. The next 2 things are from my mom, and she got me this Mint Drop moisturizer from Bath & Body Works. She also got me the body spray. It's just somewhere in my makeup drawers, and I try to find it, but it's somewhere in there. I couldn't find it. And she also got me this Fiji Pineapple Palm moisturizer, and I love both of these. This one smells like mint. So good. I love the scent. And this one smells like pineapples. And I live really close to Fiji, so like I have an excuse to wear this. But yeah, I really like these 2. They smell so good. Now, from my cousin Yahaira. If you're watching this, she always watches my videos, so hey Yaya. She got me this really big The Balm set, and I had to throw away the cardboard because it wouldn't fit in my suitcase, but I still have the stuff here. So she first got me the Richest butter, and it's a body butter by The Body Shop, or is it? Oh no, it's by Soap and Glory, and this smells so good. I used it yesterday and this morning, and I'm in love with this. It's so moisturizing, and I really like it. It also comes with this foot cream, and my feet are really dry, always like TMI, but this will come in handy. I've been using this a lot, and this is a headband that also came with, and I've been putting it on before I do my makeup, and also I wear a lot of face masks, so this comes in handy a heck of a lot. It also came with the scrub of your life, and it's a body scrub. I used this yesterday. Super good. Recommend it. Also, the last thing that it came with, it also came with a hand cream, but it's in my purse and I don't feel like taking it out. But it's a Clean On Me body wash, and this smells so good. I used it this morning and yesterday. Super duper good. Love these. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And thank you, Yaya, so much. You didn't have to spend money on me. Thank you, cuz. From my mom, she also got me the Mint Drop Coconut body wash. So good. It smells like everything I love in life. And she also got me the Stay Salty Salt Body Scrub from Bath and Body Works, if I could open it. And it just, I feel like it's kind of a dupe of the what's it called, of the Lush scrub that has like salt and it's blue, sea salt something. It's a dupe, and it was really cheap, and yeah, really good. From my mom, once again, she got me the Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and I've been using this a lot. It's a really good loose powder. I've been really liking it. From my parents, I got this e.l.f. hydrating face primer, and in my next video you're gonna see me using it, and I've been really enjoying this. My face has been really dry in these past months, so really good primer. From my grandma, I got this Honeydew Me Up oil primer kind of thing, and I've been really enjoying it. I've just been using it up a lot, and it's a good oil. 10 out of 10 would recommend. From my Aunt Carmen, she gave me money, and also my mom gave me money, and grandma gave me money, so all of these I just kind of bought with the money they gave me. But my Aunt Carmen, with the money she gave me, I bought the NYX HD concealer. Really good concealer. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Also, the money that I got from my aunt, I bought a refill of my baby skin primer. I love this primer to death. Super good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. From my grandma's money, I got this glitter eyeliner in silver and in gold. I really like them. They're from Forever 21, but they're really good, so. So I got a gift card from Sephora, and I bought this Huda Beauty face eyeshadow palette, and not face palette, it's an eyeshadow palette, Karla. And I've been really enjoying this, and it's so pretty and like, yeah. From my Aunt Judith, she also gave me a Sephora gift card, and I bought the Better Than Sex mascara waterproof version, and I'm really happy I bought this because I don't really have any high-end mascara, so really great buy. From my parents, I got a refill for my, no, is it for my parents or for my grandma? I think this is for my grandma. She got me the Infallible Pro Glow foundation, a refill, because I'm running out. Really great foundation. Recommend. 10 out of 10. Go buy this. From my Aunt Laura, she gave me the Morphe 35F, and it's such a pretty palette. It stands for the Frost palette, the 35 Frost palette, and it just has a bunch of really beautiful shimmery colors, and then this bottom row is like matte transition shades, and I just really enjoy this palette. I've been playing around with it, and I really like it. My parents gave me the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I got it already kind of dirty because I traveled with it, and I'm really sad, but I love this palette. Like, God, Jesus, give me, ooh, this is so beautiful. Like, I don't know even what to say, but this is so pretty. Thank you. I love this. 10 out of 10 recommend. Also, the pigmentation's amazing. Like, go pick this up, honestly. Just do it. And then the last thing I got, I think this is the last thing I got, is a Carly Bible palette, and my mom gave this to moi, and this is so pretty. It comes with, I don't know how many shades, 21 shades, and it comes with 6 highlighters, and I really like this. Let me not blind you. And I really like all these highlighters. They're so pretty and buttery, and these eyeshadows are just perfect for every day, and I've been wanting a really nice everyday kind of mauve toned palette, so thanks, mother. But yeah, this is everything I got. I also got a lot of clothes from just Christmas money that I got, but I don't feel like taking them out of my closet, and they're already in hangers and everything, and it's just a hassle. But I'm wearing one of the shirts. It's so cute. It's like a long sleeve, and it's so pretty. It's perfect for Hawaii. So thank you for everyone who got me gifts. I am so freaking thankful for everything you got me. Like, I cannot believe, like, you gave me all of this. Like, I'm kind of shooketh, and I just want to again thank everyone for all these gifts. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you got for Christmas. And also, if you've used all these products that you saw in my video, like, tell me what you thought of them. Did you like them? What you thought? And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, click that red button down below and click that red notification, no, that bell notification button to get notifications for every single time I upload. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and see you in my next one. Bye!